actually we discussed earlier gamma of n, gamma of 1 minus n is equals to n pi sin n pi. Okay, so we use this formula. Here we put n is equals to minus 3 by 2. Sorry, here n pi, here only pi. Okay, so if we put n is equals to minus 3 by 2, then it comes gamma of minus 3 by 2 here into 1 plus 3 by 2 pi. This comes sin 3 pi by 2. Okay, so this comes minus 3 by 2, and here this will be, if we using property of gamma, then it comes 3 by 2 into half into root pi. This will be pi minus pi, and sin pi plus pi by 2 here, all sine. So all sine, it comes on 10 quadrant. Okay, so this comes minus sign. Okay, so this minus pi minus of sine pi by 2. Actually this is sine pi by 2 is 1, so this will be pi. So here gamma of minus 3 by 2, 3 by 4 root pi is equals to pi, and gamma of 3 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 4 root pi by 3. This is the, so now the question is, find the value integration over 0 to infinity x to the power 7 divided by 7 to the power x dx is equals to. So to solve this, we put first 7 to the power x is equals to e to the power x. Therefore if we took logarithm both sides, then we get x log 7 is equals to x, sorry, e to the power z. Okay, so this will be z. So therefore if we differentiate it, then we get dx log 7 is equals to dz, and if we change the limit, then it comes xz. When x is infinity, z is also infinity, and x is 0, z is also comes 0. So therefore 0 to infinity x is equals to z by log 7, z by log 7 to the power 7. Here 7 to the power x means e to the power z, it comes e to the power minus z, and dx is equals to dz by log 7. Okay, so here 1 by log 7 to the power 8, 0 to infinity, z to the power 8 minus 1 e to the power minus z dz. If we apply property, then it comes gamma of 8 log 7 to the power 8. It comes 7 factorial log 7 to the power 8. So here actually here a is 7 actually. Okay, here the question will be, if the question is a to the power x, here the question is 7 to the power x, so here a is 7. Okay, this will be 7, a to the power 7. So option D is correct. Okay, here gamma of 7 to the power log 7 to the power 8. Okay, if the question will be a to the power x, then this option this option is for only a to the power x. Here the option is here the question is 7 to the power x, so here a turns to 7. Okay, so option D is correct. Option D is correct. So our next question is integration 0 to infinity root x into e to the power minus 3 cube root x dx is equals to, and so to solve this we put x is equals to z cube, therefore dx is equals to 3z square dz, and if we change the limit, then we get xz. When x is infinity, here you put x is infinity, z is also infinity, x is 0, z is also 0, so limit should not be changed. So 0 to infinity, here root x means z to the power 3 by 2, and e to the power minus cube root x, so it comes e to the power minus z, and dx is 3z square dz, 3z square dz, so it comes 3 0 to infinity for z to the power 7 by 2 e to the power minus z dz, and 3 0 to infinity z to the power 9 by 2 minus 1 e to the power minus z dz. If we apply property, then it comes 3 into gamma of n by 2, here 3 into 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 root 5. Here we apply property of gamma, so this comes uh, 45 into 7, 4 8 16 root pi. This will be 315 by 16 root pi. So and the correct option is option A. Okay. Now our last question is integration over 0 to 1 log gamma x dx is equals to half log 2 pi. Okay, actually verify it is gamma x or root x. 1 minute, I verify this question actually. Okay, it is not root, this is gamma. So now here given, let we consider I dash is equals to 0 to 1 log gamma x dx. If we use the property 0 to 1 gamma of 1 minus x dx, actually property is integration 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to integration over 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We read this property in earlier class 12, so we use this property. Okay, so this will be ideal. So now we adding these two equation, therefore we get 2 I dash is equals to 0 to 1 log of gamma x plus log of gamma 1 minus x dx, and this comes 2 I dash is equals to 0 to 1 log of gamma x into log of minus x dx. Actually we know property, that is gamma of x, gamma of n, gamma of 1 minus n is equals to root over pi sin n pi, root not only pi, sin n pi. Okay, so if we put this property here, then we get 0 to 1 log pi sine x pi dx. So 0 to 1 log pi dx plus 0 to 1 here minus, here it is minus, so log of sine pi dx, and we remark as equation 1. So how here this integral is very simple, but how to solve log sine pi? So now we solve integral. Here we solve integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 log sine pi dx. So we let I is equals to here this. Okay, now I is equals to, sorry, here x pi is comes here, x pi sine n pi means sine x pi, here sine x pi. Okay, sine x pi. So put x pi is equals to t, x pi is equals to z. Okay, so dx is equals to dz, and limit should be dz by pi, and limit should be xz. When x is 1, z is pi. When x is 0, z is 0. So 0 to pi, and log of I is equals to log of sine z dz 1 by pi. Okay, dx is dz by pi. So if we using property, this property is 0 to pi log of sine pi minus z dz. So this comes 1 by pi 0 to pi log of cos z dz. Sorry, here if we use, sorry, here pi, so if we put 2 pi by 2, then it comes 1 by pi into 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi by 2 log of sine z dz, log of sine z dz. Okay, so now we apply this property. 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 log of sine pi by 2 minus z dz. So now this comes cos z, 2 by pi integration 0 to pi by 2 log of cos z dz. Now adding this two equation, here I is here here I is 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 integration over 0 to pi by 2 log sin z dz, and I is again 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 log cos z. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. These two equation we add, then we get 2y is equals to uh, 2 by pi integration over 0 to pi by 2 log of sin z plus log of cos z dz, and this will be 2 by pi integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin z into cos z dz. So therefore 2y is equals to 2 by pi 2 by pi integration 0 to pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin z cos z dz log of sin z into cos z dz. Okay, so 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 log of, if we here we write sin 2z by 2 dz, because 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Okay. So now again we separate this integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2z dz and 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 dz. Okay, if we put 2z is equals to t, then dz is equals to dt and dt by 2, and here the limit should be zt. When when z is pi by 2, then it comes, when z is pi by 2 t is pi, when z is 0 is 0, so therefore 2 by pi 0 to pi log of sin t dt divided by 2, here minus 2 by pi log 2 into pi by 2, this integral comes, here this. Okay, so so now this comes 1 by pi 0 to pi log of sin t dt, and this is log 2. Okay, so minus log 2. Actually log sin z. Yes, okay, so if we change this variable, so to uh, z, actually here the option is here z, so log of sin z dz minus log of 2. So this comes here, this is 2y. Here earlier we actually consider I is equals to 2 by pi 2 by pi 0 to pi by 2 log, here earlier we consider 1 by pi 0 to pi sin z is dz, so this will be I equals to log 2, so therefore I is equals to minus log 2. So here here this comes minus pi by 2. Okay, 2 I dash here what is here comes 2y dash 2I dash is equals to integration over 0 to 1 integration over 0 to 1 log of pi dx minus 0 1 log of sin x by dx. We find the value of, here we find the value of uh, no, I is 0 1 integration over 0 to 1 log of sin x pi is minus log of 2. So this comes 2I dash log, this will be log pi and this will be minus minus log 2. So this comes 2I dash is equals to log 2 pi I dash is equals to 1 by 2 log 2 pi. So this proved. Our remaining question is here, proof integration over 0 to 1 log log gamma x dx is equals to 1 by 2 log 2 pi. So this will be proved. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Earlier lecture we will discuss beta property and we solving some entrance level question of beta with help of beta property. Okay, so keep watching our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.